Let's start your investment journey.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday, the 16th of August. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with Chinese industrial production data and retail sales, also Japanese preliminary GDP quarter two figures, and industrial production on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for UK unemployment change, Eurozone preliminary GDP quarter two figures, and US retail sales data. Going forward, UK, Eurozone, and also Canada consumer price index figures, US crude oil inventories, and FOMC minutes will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, we should be on the lookout for Australian unemployment rate and US jobless claims data. The week will finish on Friday with PBOC rate decision and UK and also Canada retail sales. Now, let's take a look at few markets. Let's start with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a bullish breakout higher over the past several trading sessions. The price is now uptrending because it's creating the sequence of higher lows, and the current price is trading from the intraday point of view. This is the 4-hourly. It's trading above multiple rising moving averages, and also it's supported by a rising trend line, which we can draw by connecting this sequence of the higher lows. So the key trading level going forward is at 41,900, which is the cluster of these previous highs. Pullback to that level and a rally or a breakout higher and an end of day close above 46,500 could open the way for the continuation of this upward move, targeting additional upside resistances towards 49,200, 50,000, possibly even towards 56,400. Alternatively, if we see a corrective pullback and a loss and an end of day close below 41,900, retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could trigger a deeper corrective pullback and retest of additional downside supports, initially at 40,000, nice and round number, 39,220, possibly even 36,200, which was the breakout level. This is Nasdaq. The price action is consolidating sideways in overall uptrending market sequence of higher lows. The key trading level going forward is at 15,000 to the downside. Pullback to 15,000 and a rally or a push higher and a breakout above these current all-time highs at 15,190 could open the way for the continuation to the upside, therefore the extension, and potentially targeting new all-time high. Your guess is as good as mine. 15,300, 15,350, 15,400, and so on. Alternatively, if we see a corrective pullback and an end of day close of 15,000, a retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could trigger a deeper corrective pullback targeting additional support towards 14,900, possibly even 14,860. DAX or German 30 index is uptrending quite nicely. The current price is supported by rising support trendline and multiple moving averages. Corrective pullback to the key trading level at 15,860 and a rally from there, or the continuous push higher and a breakout above 16,100 on the upside could open the way for the continuation to the upside, targeting additional resistances at 16,200, 16,300, and so on. Alternatively, if we see a corrective pullback and a daily close below 15,860, retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could trigger a deeper corrective pullback targeting additional support at 15,670, possibly even 15,600, 15,550. Euro dollar had an oversold rally higher in overall downtrending market. The current price action is capped by falling resistance trend line at the key resistance area at 1.1850. A rally into that level and a rejection or a gradual move lower and a loss of these current lows, in particular 1.1750 would trigger a deeper corrective pullback, targeting additional support to the downside at 1.17, possibly even 1.1650, 1.1630. Alternatively, if you see a rally and an end of day close above 1.1850, that could trigger a short squeeze targeting additional resistances to the upside towards 1.19, cluster of these highs, possibly even 1.1950, 1.20. Sterling dollar is consolidating sideways. The current price action is capped by key trading level at 1.39 and supported by key trading level to the downside at 1.38. A push higher and a breakout above 139 and end of day close above that level could trigger the extension to the upside, targeting additional resistance at 1.3930, 1.40, possibly even higher. Alternatively, if you see a pullback lower and an end of day close below 1.38, possibly a retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could trigger a deeper corrective pullback and retest of additional supports at 1.3750, possibly even 1.37. Dollar Japanese yen had a corrective pullback, inability for this currency pair to break through psychologically important 110.50 and create an end of day close above that level is worrying. That's a key trading level. Bears are in control below that level. Support to the downside initially at 109.50. Loss of that level could open the way for a deeper corrective pullback towards 109.20, 109, cluster of these lows from 4th of August, possibly even 108.70. Alternatively, a rally from here and an end of day close above 110.50 could possibly create an extension to the upside, targeting 110.80, 111, possibly even 111.40, 111.60, which is the 2nd of July swing high. Gold, we had a flash crash last Sunday and subsequently oversold bounce back created a move higher. Key trading level going forward is at this area here, 1765, 1760 to the downside. Pullback to that level and a rally or a gradual push higher, and then in particular breakout above these current lows at 1790 could open the way for the push higher towards 1800, 1811, 1831 to the upside. Alternatively, if we see a pullback lower and a daily close below 1750, could open the way for the retest of 1740, 1720 supports to the downside. Crude oil is consolidating here in something that appears to be an oversold bounce back. Key trading level going forward is at the psychologically important $70 per barrel. Push through 70 and end of day close above that level could open the way for the retest of 71.45, which would be a retest of this falling resistance trend line. Only the end of day close above 71.50 could open the way for a gradual move higher towards 74, possibly even 75.80 resistances. Alternatively, if we see a rally and a rejection or a gradual move lower and the loss of these current lows towards 67, that could open the way for a deeper corrective pullback and additional retest of supports at 66.30, possibly even 65, 64, 60 to the downside. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.
Let's start your investment journey.